Welcome to the Atosa Trademark Training Series. This video is designed to teach the end user how to set the cleaning mode and care for the unit. If the unit is not already on, press the switch to the on position. The screen will display the operations modes. From this page, you'll select the self-cleaning icon to enter the cleaning menu. The self-clean modes are used to efficiently clean the oven. You can choose a cleaning mode according to your need. Daily cleaning is very important to maintain the self-hygienic oven while keeping the steel conditioned and guaranteeing the unit's quality performance. On the self-clean display, you'll see 6 cleaning mode options. Short cleaning can be used for a normal daily cleaning. Medium cleaning can be used for normal cleaning of a medium-sized oven in ovens where the buildup is not very serious. Long cleaning is applicable to large ovens or models with serious buildup that need a deep cleaning. Rinse clean will not use detergent or rinse aid. It is suitable for running between heavy cook loads to remove any additional residue before moving on to the next product being cooked. And quick clean only removes residue and stains for the days that the unit may not have been used often or used more as a steamer. Descaling works to help remove scale from the oven. Once one of the cleaning options is selected, the oven will begin the cleaning process. It will wash, rinse, dry on its own, and when the unit is done cleaning, wipe down the outside of the unit, the door gasket with warm soapy water, and leave the door ajar overnight when possible. Here are a few helpful tips. Be sure grease and food residue are removed from the unit. These may cause a fire during cooking and damage the appliance or cause injury. Clean the oven using the detergent and rinse products provided by the manufacturer. This will ensure that the oven will be cleaned correctly and safely. Do not use abrasive, corrosive cleaning agents or abrasive sharp tools such as a scraper or steel brush. If a display shows that the detergent or rinse aid are nearly exhausted and the oven beeps, this means one or the other needs to be filled. Be cautious when changing the detergent or rinse agent. Avoid contact with your eyes or skin. If your eyes come in contact with the detergent or rinse aid, rinse your eyes with running water immediately and seek medical attention. Please dispose of the empty detergent and rinse aid containers according to your local laws and regulations. For safety, only start the cleaning process when the chamber is empty without accessories or other items inside. Be sure the door is closed and the chamber temperature is lower than 200 degrees. If needed, use the fast cool down mode. When the unit is in the cleaning process, the cleaning cannot be stopped manually. When the cleaning is finished, the unit will turn off automatically. During the cleaning process, if the door is opened, the cleaning will stop and a message will display. When the door is closed, the message will disappear and the cleaning will continue. If the electrical supply is interrupted and the oven is shut down, the cleaning will stop. After the reconnection of the electrical supply, a message will show up warning that no cooking process can be operated. To start a cooking process, please start a cleaning or rinse process to clear the unit of any chemical residue.